everyone, welcome to my channel Crochet Rainbows and Butterflies. Today we're going to learn how to crochet this 5-petal flower. For this tutorial I'm using crochet hook 3.5 millimeters. You can use any crochet yarn, but for this tutorial I'm using crochet 4-ply cotton yarn. So let's get started. Magic circle. Now for those of you who do not know how to work a magic circle, I have a video on that as well. I'll leave the link to that video in the description box below. Now once you have your magic circle, in the magic circle you need to work 5 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now you need to pull the loose end to close the circle, and you need to complete the row by working a slip stitch in the first single crochet of this row. For the next row, you chain 1. In the first stitch, you need to work 2 single crochets. In the next stitch, 2 single crochets. In the next stitch, 2 single crochets, and you need to continue working 2 single crochets in each stitch till you reach the end of this row. You need to have a total of 10 single crochets. Once you complete your row, you need to join it with a slip stitch into the first single crochet. And now you need to chain 1 and cut your yarn. We are going to change the color for the next row. We're going to start making the first petal. We need to attach the yarn. You can attach it in any of the stitches. I'm going in right here. Once you attach your yarn, you need to chain 3. 1, 2 and 3. Now in the same stitch you need to work 1 triple crochet. Now for that you need to yarn over twice, insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through. Now you have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through last 2 loops. Now 1 more treble crochet in the same stitch, yarn over twice, insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through. You have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through last 2 loops. Now you chain 2. Now we're going to work in the next stitch. You need to work 2 triple crochets in the next stitch, yarn over twice, insert your hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull through. You have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through last 2 loops. Working 1 more triple crochet in the same stitch, and now you chain 3 and you work a slip stitch in the same stitch. We've completed the first petal. We're going to work the next petal. For that you need to work a slip stitch in the next stitch, chain 3, 2 triple crochets in the same stitch. That's 1, that's 2, chain 2. Now you need to go to the next stitch, 2 triple crochets in the next stitch, 1, and that's 2. Now chain 3, you work a slip stitch in the same stitch, and we've completed the second petal. Now for the next petal, you need to work a slip stitch in the next stitch and continue working the same pattern. You need to have 5 petals around. After you complete working your petals, you need to work a slip stitch in the first stitch that you started the petals. And now you chain 1 and cut your yarn. We've completed working the crochet 5 petal flower. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and happy crocheting.